Hello Sunbeamers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the second part of your chapter force and pressure, that is your pressure. In the previous video, we have learnt about force, what are the properties of force, types of force and resultant forces. I hope you have understood very well about the resultant forces. That is a very important part of your chapter. And if you have any doubt, you can go to our website to the doubt counter and ask us doubts. Now, pressure. What do you mean by pressure? Some students may be thinking pressure means the tension we have during our exams. No, that is not pressure. That is called that is a different type of pressure. That is mental pressure. But in physics, pressure means force per unit area. Means suppose this is one block and you are applying some force. So in this area, this block is having an area. It is a rectangle, means it will have area length into breadth. What force you are applying on this area is known as the pressure. So pressure means force divided by area. Okay. Force divided by area. You have to remember pressure is force per unit area or force divided by area. Okay. Yes. Symbolically, if we represent pressure, it is represented by small p, that equal to force capital F by area capital A. When same force acts over two different areas, pressure is greater on smaller area. Suppose I am taking a pin. The area of the pin is small and I am taking one block, small block which is having more area than the pin. On your skin, I will pinch the pin, you will have the pain. Why? Because of more pressure. Smaller area will have more pressure. And if I will place the same block on your skin, you will have less pressure or less pain or no pain. Why? Because area of the block is quite large than the pin. Okay? This activity you try today at your home. What is the unit of pressure? You know, see, pressure means force by area. What is the unit of force? Previous class I have told you. What is the unit of force? Newton. And area means length into breadth. Normally, if we say the area of the block, it is length into breadth. SI unit of length is meter, and breadth is also meter. So anything divided 2 times makes it square, that is meter square. See here, anything divided 2 times makes it square, that is meter square. So Newton by meter square is the SI unit of your pressure. Newton divided by meter square. And this is also called as Pascal. PA, Pascal. Pascal. Now you see here. The one example is there. The weight of the cube placed on a table is 20 Newton. Weight of the cube is 20 Newton, means it is a force. Because weight is also a type of force. The area of the face of the cube is 25 centimeters. See, area of the face of the cube. So I am doing a cube here. What cube? Suppose this is a cube. Cube is a three-dimensional structure. Yes or no? This is a cube. And one face of the cube is 25 centimeters square. area of a face of a cube. Okay, is 25 centimeter. How much pressure? See, everything you have to, for SI unit, we have to convert it into Newton per meter square. Here force is in Newton, but area is in centimeter square. How to convert into meter square? You know, 1 meter is how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. One meter is your 100 centimeter. Okay. So 1 centimeter is how much meter? 1 by 100 meter. 1 by 100. Just I have reversed it. This is 0. Okay. 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So, but here square is there. Means you have to multiply it again. So 1 centimeter square is how much meter square? 1 by 100 into 1 by 100. Means you have to multiply 1 by 100 twice. 2 बार multiply करेंगे. Because square means 2 times. Multiply it 2 times. So 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 is how much? 1 by 10,000. 4 zeros. After 1, you have to add 4 zeros. 3, 4. So 1 centimeter square is 1 by 1000 meter square. Yes. So 25 centimeter square means how much meter square? 25 by 10,000 meter square. Understood how we got 25 by 10,000 meter square? 1 centimeter square. Here centimeter square is there. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. But 1 centimeter square is 1 by 10,000 meters. Got? So here 25 centimeter square is 25 by 1000 meter square. Okay, we have converted that into SI unit. Now just divide 20 Newton by 25 by 1000 meter square, you will get the answer. Okay. Division, I think you are class 6 student. You must have learned how to divide. Okay. So there must not be any problem in division. So you divide that and you will get the answer easily. Okay. One more question is there. Rectangular cartoon filled with books weigh 300 Newton. How much it is weighing? 300 Newton. The largest, let me erase this one so that it will be easier. Yes. Yes. The largest face of the cartoon has an area of 0.25 meter square, while the smallest face has the area of 0.1. Okay, there is a cartoon, rectangular cartoon, in which the largest, because in rectangle, in your rectangle cartoon, the area are different. The area are different. In a cube, the area are same, but in a cuboid, that is in a rectangle, the area of all faces are not same. Okay, they are different because rectangle, the opposite sides are equal, but all the sides are not equal. Only the opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Okay, so what is the question? Find the maximum and minimum pressure which it can exert when it is placed on the floor. What is the maximum and the minimum pressure? So for maximum pressure, what you have to calculate? We have to take the area of the largest face, and for the minimum pressure, we have to take the area of the smallest face. Yes. So for maximum pressure, we have to take force 300 Newton. Force will be same. You have to take same force in both the cases for maximum and minimum, but area you have to come change. For maximum pressure, 1 minute. For maximum pressure, you have to take the smallest phase. Sorry, my dear student, I told something wrong. See, pressure means force per area. As I have told you, small area means more pressure and large area means less pressure. So for maximum pressure, we have to take small area, and for minimum pressure, we have to take large area. Okay, I told it something wrong. I'm extremely sorry. So for maximum pressure, you have to take small area. Why? Because pressure and area are inversely proportional to each other. More pressure, less area. Less pressure, more area. So for maximum pressure, you have to take small area. And for minimum pressure, you have to take large area. Understood? Okay. Now you can solve this question and get the answer. So I think you have got the problem. Every time you remember maximum pressure, minimum area, minimum pressure, maximum area. Okay. So they are inversely proportional to each other. Yes. Now, what are the methods of increasing your pressure? For increasing pressure, simply you have to decrease the area or increase your force. There are two methods only. You have to decrease area, decrease, this is decrease, okay? So, to cut or pierce an object, we need to apply large pressure. The tip of the nail pin has a very small area. When we push this against a surface, the pressure acting in the tip is very high. This allowed the tip to pierce the surface. Or vegetable knife also, same thing. How to reduce pressure? By increasing the area. You have to increase the area. To move through snow, long metal skis or wide snow shoes are used to increase the area of contact. If we increase the area of contact, the pressure due to the weight of the person decreases and prevents from sinking into the snow. एरिया बढ़ा देंगे तो वो स्नो के अंदर नहीं धसेगा, इजिली चल पाएगा. इसलिए जो स्नो का जो शू होता है वो थोड़े थोड़े लार्ज एरिया के होते हैं. ठीक है. So birds also, for decreasing the pressure, they spread their feathers. Okay, they spread their feathers for increasing the area. And the straps of shoulder bags in which we carry luggage are purposely made broad so that pressures or decreases and area of contact increases. So shoulder पे जो है यहाँ पे pressure decrease हो जाएगा और क्योंकि area ज्यादा है. Okay, camels भी desert में चलने के लिए उनका wide feet होता है pressure decrease होने के लिए. So this is all about the chapter pressure. You have to remember mainly 3 or 4 things here. Pressure means force per unit area. SI unit of pressure is Pascal or Newton per meter square. Minimum pressure, maximum area. Maximum pressure, minimum area. Okay, this much you remember. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. And like and subscribe the channel. And Jai Hind. Take care of your health.